Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zendesk to handle insurance claim tickets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Zendesk to handle insurance claim tickets, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin settings by clicking on the gear icon in the sidebar. In the admin panel, locate the apps and integrations section. Click on Marketplace to access the list of available integrations. Use the search bar to find insurance claim management applications. Select an app that best fits your needs and click on it. Review the app details and click the Install button. Follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions to Zendesk. Provide the required information for integration settings. Once connected, configure the app settings according to your insurance claim workflow. Create a new ticket form specifically for insurance claims. In the ticket form settings, add fields relevant to insurance claims such as policy number and claim type. Adjust the workflow rules to route insurance claim tickets to the appropriate team. Set up triggers to automate notifications for claim updates. Ensure that all agents have access to the insurance claim ticket view. Test the integration by submitting a sample insurance claim ticket. Monitor the ticket processing to ensure that the workflow operates smoothly. Gather feedback from your team about the integration's effectiveness. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize the handling of insurance claim tickets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.